It's just about gardening time here in the US, and we are getting ready to plant our seeds indoors. And for that, you need some grow lights. I've got this 2-pack of grow lights. It is a 12.2-inch square, and these have worked so great. I'm gonna bring you in here and we'll look at some of the features of them. So these have a red, white, and blue lights, and they're super easy to set up because they just have this little plug. And then when you plug it into the wall with just a normal outlet, they light up. Here's your plug for the other one. And they put off a really low amount of actual heat, so it's not going to just kill your energy bill with the heat amount. And it's got a nice plastic surrounding on here, and with the low heat, there's no issues there. Each panel covers a 3-foot by 3-foot area. So once you put it on the seeds, you can turn it over, and then it would shine down onto the seeds from there. And on the top here, it has this little hanging hook, and each one of them has this little clasp here that you can then hook on to the corners. So this is really nice because we've actually just undone this part, and we will loop it around in an area that we have, and we can then use this little hook. And we hook it up, and then we put it about 6 to 10 inches away from the seedlings. And we set it on timers and we let it go. And this has done a great job with helping those seeds get going. And they're usually sprouting within like 2 weeks. It's a low power consumption, so it helps save your energy bill. And you get 2 of them, so you can set up a much larger section of planting. We've really enjoyed these and appreciated the quality of this grow light.